Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the control panel and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. Right here, and in system you should see the reboot option. Select it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the rebooting process. So let's confirm by tapping on the check mark, and now let's wait until the device is done rebooting. And as you can see, we are back into a system, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.